What's up, YouTube? The Gizmo Pro here with some game-changing news about the upcoming Unpacked event. The moment we've all been waiting for is here. Behold, the very first official unboxing video and an exclusive first look at the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Our community member, Tasty Orange, has generously shared brief unboxing videos featuring the S24 Ultra in 3 dazzling colors. The setting appears to be a store, suggesting that the S24 has hit the shelves in anticipation of retail sales. An enthusiastic employee decided to showcase these devices ahead of time. Tasty Orange, also known on TikTok and the platform X, managed to snag Galaxy S24 Ultra models in titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. These unboxing videos posted on X reveal packaging reminiscent of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, offering a sneak peek at the startup screen. While not divulging much, any tidbit of information is welcome at this stage. The videos provide a clear view of the S24 Ultra's design, confirming Samsung's departure from curved screens. The flat display is showcased, dispelling previous speculations. Notably, the speaker grille sports a single milled cut, a departure from the 6 holes on the bottom speaker of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. A noteworthy change observed in the videos is the design of the S Pen for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a flat bottom instead of a round one. Rumors about the S24 Ultra universally adopting the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor have gained more traction, reinforcing the anticipation for enhanced performance. As for pre-order information, Samsung is offering a reservation option for the Galaxy S24 series, complete with a $50 discount. It's crucial to distinguish this reservation program from actual pre-orders. Pre-order details and deals for the S24 series have already surfaced, with a leaked promotion offering a complimentary memory upgrade in certain regions. The leaked details hint at enticing pre-order bonuses, including higher storage models at lower prices. Specific offers vary by market, however, with regions like Korea rumored to provide a 1-year Samsung Care Plus warranty, Galaxy Buds 2 Pro wireless earbuds, and a choice between special Pokemon or Daily Milk Buds cases. In the UK, select retailers and operators are speculated to offer a free Galaxy Watch 6 with pre-orders, applying to all models of the Galaxy S24 series. Keep in mind that these pre-order bonuses are subject to regional variations. Now, let's delve into the most exciting revelation. Samsung is set to align with Google's software update policy for the S24 lineup, promising a groundbreaking 7 years of software updates. This move mirrors Google's recent commitment for their Pixel 8 lineup and is expected to set a new industry standard. Samsung's current policy offers 4 years of operating system updates and 5 years of security updates. The extension to 7 years is a substantial leap, potentially pressuring other manufacturers to follow suit. Official marketing images of the entire Galaxy S24 lineup have been leaked, showcasing the camera specifications of the S24 Ultra. The images highlight a 10x zoom as optical quality, with 4 optical zoom options: 2x, 3x, 5x, and 10x. The S24 and S24 Plus are depicted with even thinner bezels, promising an aesthetically pleasing design. To make reservations for the S24 series, Samsung is currently offering a complimentary service with a $150 credit for future purchases. The leak also suggests the possibility of Galaxy AI subscriptions, but details are yet to be confirmed. In the final stretch before the Unpacked event tomorrow, official marketing materials from Samsung have been unveiled, providing insights into key features. The S24 Ultra introduces the Note Assist feature in the Notes app, offering the ability to summarize, format, and translate notes seamlessly. More on that in a little bit. Another standout feature is nightography zoom, enhancing zoom capabilities in low light conditions. Samsung boasts a peak brightness of 2600 nits across all three S24 models, a significant improvement. The display response of the S24 series is approximately 12% faster than the S23 series, promising a smoother user experience. Additional features include Circle to Search, triggering a Google search about a specific item circled on the screen, and Live Translate, instantly translating foreign languages in the phone app. Specifications for all three S24 models are outlined, maintaining the same charging speed as the previous year, unfortunately. The S24 Ultra boasts a titanium build, while the other two S24 models feature enhanced armor aluminum. As for One UI 6.1, it introduces improved animations, including increased frame rates, removal of background blur, effects for power savings, and more. The leak also suggests AI-based features like Live Translate, Browser Assist, and AI-based generative wallpapers. One UI 6.1 brings a battery protection option as well, stopping charging at 80% for maximum battery health. The update enables moving objects from one image to another as well, removing people and objects from videos and pictures. And new AI models for the Samsung keyboard. Bixby is set to become smarter, answering more complicated questions. In regards to pricing, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. Samsung's adoption of a 7-year software update policy, coupled with these exciting features, is expected to make a significant impact. Stay tuned for the Unpacked event, where Samsung is poised to unveil the Galaxy S24 series in all of its glory. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.